2025 Prelim iTone School, Paper 2, Question 5. The figure is formed using two squares and two equilateral triangles. The perimeter of the figure is 120 centimeter. Okay, perimeter is given. PQ is a straight line. What is the length of PQ? Now, let's call this side of the triangle A. Okay, they're all A given that it's equilateral. And then since this is a square, all four sides are the same. Okay, and then let's call this B, 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 B. All right, from here we can see that PQ is equals to A plus B, right? Now, perimeter of the figure is 120 centimeter. Now, before we moved on, I would like to delete the B here and the A here, because we got to be very careful not to include this line because it is not part of the perimeter of the figure. All right, so let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A's. Okay, 5A plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 B's. 5A plus 5B equals to 120 centimeter. This is the same as having 5 sets of A plus B. Okay, can we calculate one set of A plus B? We can. Let's take 120 divided by 5. Since 5 sets is 120 centimeter, we can find one set by dividing by 5. Okay, that gives us 24 centimeter. Now we know that AB is also the same as PQ. Alright, so this is the answer. Our length of PQ is 24 centimeter.